What's up, guys? Outside today, kids are playing outside, so I just got this in the mail. I want to do a little unboxing video of it before I do a review on it, because I just got this. Been wanting one of these for a long time. So here we go. I got the Marauder Mini from Olight in the Stars and Stripes red, white, and blue design. I've been wanting a Marauder Mini for a long time, and just so happened I was on one of the Facebook groups, and I've been trying to expand my Stars and Stripes collection because I really like that colorway. I have the Warrior 3S, and I forgot they did a whole line in them, and I decided I finally wanted to try to expand that. So I happened to meet a guy on there, one of the Facebook groups, the Olight group, and he had this that he offered up to me. So yeah, I met him on there, and we talked, and he had offered me to sell this to me at a really good price. I paid him, I think, $150 for it, which is a really good deal because the Marauder Mini in general goes for $199 for the regular colorways. And this is the Patriotic Stars and Stripes one. So it's a limited edition colorway. And I was really happy to give him $150 for that. No problem. I was trying to trade some stuff I had, but I was no issues giving him the money for this because that's a heck of a deal. Some people are selling them on eBay for. Some people are still asking $200 on eBay. And come to find out, I thought it had been open. This was actually sealed in the box. I've already ripped the plastic off, but this was sealed. So let's do a little unboxing. Open it up. You're gonna get your little placard in here like normal. So like I said, got your little placard thingy in here. You guys might hear the kids going around behind me. They're riding their Power Wheels Jeep around. Just gonna come in this little bag. Take it out of the bag. Got a little lens protector here. I'll rip that sucker off. It's also gonna have a little protector right here around this little U shape here. I'll peel that off. And then we're going to unscrew it. And like always, you gotta take out your little yellow battery protector. Take that out. It is a 32650 rechargeable lithium-ion battery, 6500 milliamp hours, and a 3.7 volts of battery. Screw that back on there. Vibrating at me. Look at that beautiful thing of glory. Stars and Stripes, red, white, and blue Marauder Mini. This thing is a beauty. So it's pretty cool light, really beautiful. Love that colorway a lot. Your power button's gonna be right here, this button right here. So also you adjust your brightness and your colors. I think it's red, green, and blue. You can get different colors on this, and this is gonna be your flood versus your spot type of switch right there. Lanyard hole. It's got a nice rubber grip right here. But yeah, that's that unbox. Let's take a look at what else is in here real quick. We'll go over everything in the full review. It's just for now. So you got your box right here. Just gonna take a peek in there. I'm not gonna pull anything. I'm just gonna take a peek in there. Oh, so in here you get the holster for it, charging cable, the lanyard loop, or the lanyard, I should say, lanyard for it that can go on that loop. Then your instruction manual. So your basic stuff in there. It's pretty cool. It is a MCC 1A 1.5 and 2 amp charger. So it's one of their bigger chargers for this light. Then your instruction manual, another instruction manual, and the holster, which is pretty cool. It's a beefy holster. That thing's a beefy. But yeah, that's the unboxing of that light. A lot of times they run deals where it comes with a case like this. I actually bought this case used off another guy on the site. And this is what he sent me. This is actually the Olight Marauder Mini case. So that is made for it. And that light will be going in here now. And after I charge it up, I'm going to try it out when it gets dark out. Thanks.